Assalamualaikum. My name is Fadlin Roshaida binti Jono. My student ID is 2022824786 and I'm from CS2484B. For the introduction, this assignment I therefore use Maple 2023 to create and generate the result in section A and B. I selected question A and H for section A and I decided on option 1 and 2 for section B. I will begin by identifying the shape using the standard equation. I will then enter the equation in Maple 2023 to obtain the result. There are many different kinds of surface in this topic including ellipsoid, parabolic cylinder, elliptic cones and many more. For section A, question A, I start with the question which is z equals to x squared plus y squared. The method that I choose is plot 3D and the limit for every variable which is x and y. I choose -5 to 5 and the name of this output is elliptic paraboloid. For the second question which is z equals to x squared, I start with restart with plot 3D x squared. The x I start from -2 to 2 and the axis is in box. So basically the method that I choose is plot 3D and the limit for variable x is -2 to 2. And the name of this output is parabolic cylinder. We move on to section B. I start with f equals to AB equals to square root of x squared plus y squared. Then I insert the z equals to 4. The shown graph is basically from the square root of x squared plus y squared. For cone, I choose plot 3D, rho, theta, pi over 4. Rho equals to 0 to 4 times with secant pi over 4, theta equals to -pi to pi. Then coords equals to spherical and the color is grey. For plane, I start with plot 3D, 4 times secant pi, theta pi. Theta equals to -pi to pi. Pi equals to 0 to pi over 4 and then coords equals to spherical and the color I choose is orange. To combine the diagram, I start with plot, display, cone and plane, viewpoint equals to circle right. The second question, I start with f equals to AB equals to square root of x squared plus y squared. And then I continue with x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals to z. And the graph shown is from the square root of x squared plus y squared. For the cone, I start with plot 3D in bracket rho theta pi over 4. Rho equals to 0 to 4 times with secant pi over 4. Theta equals to -pi to pi. Coords equals to spherical and the color I choose is green. For the cylinder, I start with plot, then cylinder equals to implicit plot 3D in bracket x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals to 1. I choose the same limit for these three variable which is from -2 to 2. The axis equals to box and the color I choose is grey. To combine this diagram, I start with plot, display, cone, cylinder, viewpoint equals to circle right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye.